Hi, okay, good afternoon. I'm just going to do a little video for Stockport Sling Library. We've just had a few people asking about various carriers or newborns that have come along, and obviously not being able to get to the meet at the moment. So I just wanted to do a quick video about using either a Connecta or an Intergra for a newborn baby. Sometimes you can get a bit of bagginess at the top across where the shoulders and neck are, and this is a little alternative way of using it to try and make it a bit more secure and snug for a newborn. Okay, so I'm actually using an Intergra, but it's the same principle for a Connecta as well. So get your Intergra connector, pop it on as high as you can underneath your breasts, tighten it. Okay, so you want it really high as you can. This will shorten the panel. Your strap, pop it on, tighten as much as you need, and then turn round so the buckle's on the outside. Okay, keep that up as high as you can. Okay, so you're going to do the exact same thing in terms of putting the baby on, but we're going to do the straps in a slightly different way. Okay, now this is an Intergra, so what I've done with the Intergra, rather than having the side straps loose, I've pushed them all the way back to as far as they can go on that side, and I've just lengthened the longer straps that usually go up and over your shoulders. Okay, so I'm just going to get my little one. Now this baby's about 3 to 6 months size, so it could be slightly bigger than your newborn, but you just want to gently get them into a nice position on your, as centrally as you can. Okay, both arms should be up on your chest here, and this little head just resting on your chest. Now you're going to go ahead and pull up the panel. Now here's where it differs. So instead of going over your shoulder, which you would normally do, you're going to go and put the strap around under your arm. Trap it with that arm, come round, grab it here, and then it's going to go up over your shoulder. Try not to twist it. It's going to come up over your shoulder. So that's around your back and up over your shoulder, and then it's going to plug in the normal way. Now to tighten it, you have to pull upwards, but we'll retighten it in a moment once I've got the other side on. Okay, so again, the strap that you would normally put up and over your shoulder, it's going to go underneath your arm, round. You can lengthen the strap if you need to, and then up. Now you can pull it slightly up and out there, over your shoulder, and it's going to clip in normally to the normal buckle. Now this can plug up the way. There we go. So it feels a little bit odd with the straps, but what you'll notice is that this section around the neck and the shoulders is much closer in, and will be much more supportive around your baby's neck and shoulders, and will stop a tiny baby who is in that fetal curl position from slumping down inside the carrier. This you're probably not going to be able to plug those in because it's right underneath your shoulder, but if you wish to just get that out of the way, you can just tuck it in just to keep that aside. Now what's happened here is that this buckle is kind of trapped underneath, so now that I've got my other side on, I'm just going to release this just so that I can bring that buckle out onto the outside and re-clip it in again. It just feels more comfortable to have the buckle on the outside there, same as there. Okay, I may be getting interrupted by a child in a moment. Nope, they've got away. So I'll just pop that up there. Get that out of the way. Okay, so you can see that it's just much more snug across here, and should keep the baby much more supported. Just make sure that the width is where it should be to keep the baby's, for it to go from knee to knee from each side of the baby. This baby's doll's legs are a bit dangly and they don't really keep upright, but your newborn baby should naturally fall into that position. Just make sure the material's up into their knees and that it's not overstretched, so the baby's legs aren't like this, just freely, so that they can freely flex their knees. Make sure it's nice and snug and that they're not slumping down inside, and that you can get a good 2 fingers underneath their chin there to protect their airway. Hands should be both up on the chest, and baby should just naturally lie on your chest there. So that's what it looks like at the back. So just so this way isn't in the manufacturer's instructions for this carrier, but it is a little way that you can use it when babies are really little, £7, around that £7 mark, and when they're really tiny and curled up, and you feel that it's not great using it the other way, the normal way. It's just another little way of using it. To get them out, it's very simple. You just unclip here, release the buckle, unclip here, release the buckle, and then peel away, and you're back to where you started. And then you can pop your baby down. Okay, any questions, please message Stockport Sling Library. Thank you, bye.